Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering only what's essential: legal name, phone, professional email, and location, city and province. Once done, review 3 to 5 job postings in Canada that match your target role and extract repeating keywords and certifications. These guide your resume language. Make sure to choose a readable template: 1 page for entry level, 2 pages if you have extensive relevant experience. This step saves time later by focusing content and tailoring, so you avoid rewriting everything from scratch. Now you create each section with purpose. Start with a short profile or headline that mirrors job keywords, then add a reverse chronological experience section. For each role, list job title, employer, location, and dates. Once done, convert duties into achievements using metrics: percent improvements, dollar savings, headcount managed, to show impact rather than tasks. Make sure to include Canadian credentials or equivalencies, language levels, and relevant volunteer work. This helps employers quickly assess fit and compliance. Finish by formatting and proofreading carefully. Use Canadian English spellings, consistent dates, and remove unnecessary personal details like photos or birth dates. Save your resume as last name, first name resume. PDF and check that spacing, fonts, and margins render correctly. If applications fail, don't panic. Compare the job posting against your resume for missing keywords, then update and reapply. If you still struggle, ask a trusted contact for feedback or test a different headline. Small tweaks often unlock interviews.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.